and welcome back to today's video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be making slime. To make the slime that we are going to be making today, you will need a mixing bowl, some clear glue, some Elmer's preferably because Elmer's is really good for making slime, some paint if you want to add some color into it, room temperature water and hot water, some borax, 1 tablespoon spoon, and a mixing tool, and any accessories that you want to add into the slime. You can put any accessories that you would like to in the slime, such as googly eyes, foam beads, some straws, some sparkles, or anything else you would like. For the first step, we will be taking our cup of hot water, some borax, and a teaspoon. You will just take a teaspoon of borax and just dump it into the cup of hot water and mix it and make sure that it dissolves. To start the slime, while our borax is dissolving in our water, we will need a mixing bowl and some glue, and some glue, and some glue, and some glue, and some slime, and some glue, and pouring about half the bottle of the glue into the mixing bowl. Perfect. Now that we have half the glue bottle into our container, we are going to be using about half the water of the glue that we put in. If we use this much glue, we're only going to be putting about this much water. Pour the amount of water that you would into your glue and get your mixing tool and just stir that in. The point of adding in the water to the glue is to make the glue more watery, because if the glue is too thick, then it won't work. Once you have all your water mixed in, we're going to pour in our borax water and just add little by little. So you can just take your teaspoon and just add 1 teaspoon at a time, because if you add too much, the slime won't be able to stretch and it'll just break and it won't be very good slime. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon in and make sure that it's really well mixed. If your slime is starting to form around the fork, then that's really good, but just continue to add more borax so all of the glue starts to look like this. If you mix too fast, then there will be air bubbles in the slime and it won't look as clear. Once most of your slime has gathered around the fork, you can put away all your other materials and you can take your fingers and slide the slime off the fork and start to mix it with your hands. Once you have your slime, if there's any excess glue or water on your hands, then you can just go and wash that right off. When you're done washing your hands, you can just put all your other materials aside except for your slime. So with your slime, you can just take any accessories you want if you want to add any, like your color or whatever you want. I'm not going to add color, but I'm going to add an accessory, and you don't have to. You can keep it just like this, just plain clear glue slime. But I'm going to add some white foam beads. I'm just going to take my white foam beads and just pour a little of it into my slime. I want more foam beads than this, so I'm just going to keep adding the foam beads until I feel comfortable with my slime. Now you guys can color your slime and put whatever you want, but this is my finished result and this is how it turned out. The last step of making slime is to play with it, because you can't make slime and not play with it afterwards. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was such a fun video to make, and I hope that it was fun for you at home to make it along with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!